Hello there, my name is Moaz Zafar, and today I will be talking to you about the 3x2 memory circuit. First, let's observe and see how the circuit looks on the breadboard. I will be going through the individual sections of the circuit throughout the video. Let us also look at the schematic of the circuit via crocodile clips. Before we go into detail, let me tell you what the function of the circuit is. The 3x2 memory circuit is a group of registers, and each register can be referred to as a memory location. Each register can store one multi-bit binary number. These multi-bit binary numbers can also be referred to as words. Since this is a 3x2 circuit, it can store 3 words, and each word is 2 bits long. Now let's move on to the individual components that make the circuit work. First, we have the 2 address leads. In the 2 pictures, you can see the breadboard version and the schematic version of the address leads. A number can be stored in one of the 3 memory locations, which are the 3 AND gates. The address leads A1 and A0 determine which location is chosen. In the picture, you can see the 3 locations that can be selected. In this particular case, location 3 has been selected as both of the address leads are positive. Location 1 is chosen if A1 and A0 are equal to 0, 1. Meaning A1 is off and A0 is on. The next component is the 2 data leads. The data leads are dependent on the word length. Since the word length is 2, then there are 2 input data leads, D1 and D0. Corresponding with the data leads are the 2 outputs, Q1 and Q0. The outputs can be represented by LEDs. In this case, they are the green and the red LED. The next component under discussion are the memory cells. There are 6 memory cells, also known as data latches. They are made of the D flip-flop chips. Higher ordered bits of the 3 stored values are placed in the upper cells, and lower cells contain the low order bits. As soon as a value enters a data latch, it is available at its output. Now we move on to the last component, which is the read/write lead. This is the control lead, and it determines whether the data is being read or it is being written. If this lead is on, meaning it is 1, it will result in the data being read, meaning the stored value will appear as an output. If the opposite happens, meaning it is off, then it will result in a write, meaning a number is stored and then is represented through the output when it's turned back on. Now let's finally see how all these components come together to make the circuit work, and we finally get to see the circuit in action. In this example, we see that both address leads are on. This means that the 3rd memory location has been chosen. Also, data lead 0 is on and D1 is off, meaning red LED should turn on if the read and write lead is on. Since it is, we see that the red LED is turned on. Thank you for watching this short presentation on the 3x2 memory circuit. Have a wonderful day.
Created using Powtoon.